All right, we are live. Today I did a ton of, like late last night and today I did a ton of refactoring. We're streaming. There we are.
You should screenshot that. I'm gonna make a meme out of it.
I got a screenshot.
That should be the cover.
Yeah. Yeah. Johnny, you're gonna be featured in the.
Oh no! What face am I making?
Oh no, it's good.
Oh, it's good. I'm sure it is.
It's what I feel like you look like every time I tell you something.
Here it comes. Where do I see live chat?
I think it would just pop up right
now.
Yeah.
All right, cool. All right, yeah, so today I did a ton of refactoring. I basically, I took a lot of, our user data was like 800 lines long, and I moved it all around. So like if it had anything to do with owned lessons, I moved all of those functions into the owned lesson model, and I just cleaned it up, and it's really nice and pretty. I like it. And I fixed a couple minor bugs, like if you hit the home button, if it goes into background, it will pause the video and start playing again when you open the app again. And just like little things like that, just cool stuff. And that's everything I've done today. Johnny B.
There's Mark.
Oh, yeah.
Doing bugs. I'm close to kind of done with the list. Pretty much everything that's left is either data that still is just hanging out in the list, or crashes that are, I think, related to the player. So after I finished up the bugs that I could today, I've been acquainting myself with just the AV player documentation and trying to come up with a plan of attack on some of these, crashes. Because a lot of the crashes, there's not really too much to go off of. Someone will just be watching a video and suddenly just something happens and it crashes. So trying to figure out where to start with those. Awesome. But yeah, that's specific bugs that I finished was resizing. Will no longer restart the video, resizing the window, as well as let me see, what else did I do? Something else. But yeah, that's what I got.
Nice, man. So I've been taking the I course in the Mac app.
Nice.
It's been exciting.
Have you had any more of those just random crashes when you're just letting it idle?
If I leave the app idle, it will randomly crash throughout the day, but it hasn't crashed when I'm using it. So I'm not sure what would cause it. And it doesn't matter if it's the AV player, if that's up, or if it's just
the
screen.
Hey, can you guys hear me?
Yeah.
So you might, if you think about it logically, there's only a few reasons why it could crash. Something is being unwrapped and it's nil, or a key value observer, a KVO, like on the AV player, is posting a notification and it's nil, so there's nothing to listen for. There's only a series of things that can cause crashes in an app. So, you might start there, making sure there's nothing that in the code that could be unwrapped and crash.
Yeah.
I have a feeling it might be something with just like possibly the computer going to sleep and maybe disconnecting from the internet, and just it could be multiple things.
Yeah, I probably need to have some exit. I don't know. I'm not even sure what they're called in Mac world, but the did. What are they called in iOS when you close out when you leave the app?
Background state.
Yeah, like went into background. Or...
Yeah. Probably need to check out some of those and maybe do some cleanup whenever that happens or something. We'll figure it out.
Yeah. And then another thing that I noticed that bothers me, and it's not going to be easy because I know how the AV full screen options are. You can't swipe between desktops when it's full screen.
Yeah, I've been also trying to figure that one out. There's everything involving the player is going to be
It's a nightmare.
pain.
I know.
So,
but like other than that, like that small, like I don't know. I like just leaving the full app just full screen with the player showing, and then on my second monitor follow along. It's been really nice.
do you? So, did you have a full screen on a larger monitor?
I had it full screen on my MacBook screen, and then was using my larger monitor for everything else.
Okay. After this, put it big on your put it full screen on your big one, and see if you lose constraints on the toolbar. Jason had some weird behavior with that.
Okay.
But I can't replicate it.
All right. Yeah, I'll check it out. That's everything on my end. How about you, Jack?
Yeah, man, not much to report. I've kind of been out of commission the end of last week and up through yesterday. Got back to work today, and my goal right now, I've got a little bit of time here with that other situation I've got going on to finish the API course. So my plan right now is for the rest of the week and over the weekend and to put in whatever time I've got to get that done and published. So hopefully by the end of the weekend we'll be good there. And then I guess at some point after that, I'm going to start looking into to our Windows app.
Yeah.
So
Hey, Jack.
yeah,
We've got a major roadblock, and I'm happy to help however I can. But basically, Jason has fixed a ton of data, and we need to get that in the database.
okay.
SAP. How do I do that? What do we need to do?
I can work on it tonight and tomorrow if you want me to.
Yeah. Well, I mean, I can help. Like, if I don't want to slow down your Katora stuff. Like, I can help if you point me in the right direction, or I can figure it out myself. I just whatever you could throw my way. He's just really blocked, and we can't close out QA until those are in.
I'll the thing about me is that during the day I can work on stuff like that, but I can't record. So so let me look at it tomorrow, and I may give you a yell, and then maybe we can team up on it or something. But we'll get that fixed by the end of the day tomorrow. So that's about all I've got.
All right, sweet, man. Hector.
What do you think I'm doing?
I don't know.
Rendering.
He's just been playing video games, and he just keeps saying he's rendering. No, he's done some really cool stuff. Let me see
Let's see if you can pull it up.
Where is my Slack? How do I share my screen?
There you go.
Look at that.
Look at that.
Like, that is just so sweet. Hector's been working his 3D wizardry. It's awesome. So that's what Hector's been rendering all day.
Yeah. And just working on the videos. I'll be done by Friday with all the video updates, and those just need to be updated. At that point, it's just up to you, Demi, to get that stuff up as soon as possible. Other than that, just living the life.
Nice.
Living the dream.
All right. Yeah, man.
What did I do? So yesterday made some updates to the Coder Swag website. Want to give a shout out to Simon Smith. I think his name is Simon Smith. Thank you so much for your help. He's helped us really kind of turn Coder Swag into more of an e-commerce store than it was before, with reviews and helping us size our images and stuff like that. So huge thank you to you, man. You helped out a lot. So yeah, I just basically worked on that, did some design stuff, went through some QA cards, and then Mark and I I are going through the slew of processes to get all of our intro videos updated. So we did around, I don't know, like 5 or 6 today, and then going to do like 20 tomorrow or whenever we can through this week. So the rest of my updates this week are probably just going to be videos editing. Kind of like how Jack said the API for like day in, day out. So that's all I got.
Awesome.
Just work, man. That's what it all boils down to.
Yeah. Just working.
All right, cool. So let's work hard, get out of this QA stuff and get into beta.
Let's do it.
So I don't get to go?
Oh,
yeah.
I thought you kind of already went. But yeah, go.
Man, haters. So yeah, I worked on those videos with Evan. That was fun. I'm going to be building the admin app for the data. We have to get that in. Like unfortunately, there's no getting around it. We got to get new data in. And so after looking at lots of solutions, I'm going to be building that with React. I'm going to be building it from scratch. And I'm going to get it up really fast in the next few days. I'm going to hack away this thing so fast. It's going to validate everything. It's going to do everything we need to, because we got to get the Blender course in and a bunch of other courses. And we can't delay on that kind of stuff anymore. So, and we can't have problems. So I'm working on that in addition to the web development course, in addition to QA testing and everything else. So it's going to be a busy week. It's all good.
Let's make it happen.
Awesome, man.
Good stuff.
Very cool. What's Jason's update?
He did lots of QA today. He's been pounding out on those lists, which is great. And he's, of course, did his social media stuff. And he did some data fixes as well, too. But mostly QA.
Awesome. Cool. Yeah, I have 9 more or 8 more bugs in the iOS to take care of, and I'm going to knock those out tonight. And then a couple player things I'm going to probably jump on and help Johnny with like that scrubbing issue. And that's mostly just because we're setting the slider value, and it's just returning it back to 0 from a brand new course. So small little things like that. It'll be good.
Cool.
All right.
All right. Let's do it.
See you guys.
Laters.